Hi, this is me Jay Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE. So I think last 9 lecture series we discussed about hybrid electric vehicles and then designing of hybrid parameters as well as some hybrid techniques. And then I think lecture series number 1, so we discussed about what is meant by electric vehicle, what is meant by vehicle, what are all the fundamentals of vehicles, and also what all the components are available inside the vehicle. So all those things we discussed in lecture series 1. And then lecture series 2 we discussed about motor selection and then how the motors are going to be selected for electric vehicles and what are the characteristics for selecting the motor. So that's those kind of things are discussed in lecture series 2. And then lecture series 3, I think we discussed about electric vehicle fundamentals and then what is meant by electric vehicle, how the electric vehicles are designed, and then what are all the parameters, all those things we discussed in lecture series number 3. And then lecture series number 4, the types of hybrid, that means introduction to hybrid electric vehicle, what is meant by hybrid, how the hybrid technologies are implemented in vehicles, so that kind of things discussed in lecture series number 4. And then lecture series 5, so types of hybrid vehicles, series hybrid, parallel hybrid, and then series parallel hybrid, so all those things discussed lecture series number 6. And then 7, 8, we discussed about series hybrid, what is meant by series hybrid, how the series hybrids are arrived, and then what are all the fundamentals, and then block diagram of series vehicles. And also parallel hybrid vehicles, and then series parallel combination of hybrid vehicles, all those things discussed in lecture series number 1 to 8. And then lecture series 9, we discussed about design thinking based class structure. So I think you understood the basic concepts of hybrid vehicles and then how the peoples are selecting the hybrid vehicles. So all those things we discussed in lecture series 9. So lecture series 10, so we discussed about one kind of case study. So today case study we will see on a Toyota. So I think Toyota launches at the year of 2000 itself, they are implemented the hybrid electric vehicles. So starting they are implementing petrol as well as gas. That means internal combustion engine operated by petrol, internal combustion engine operated by gasoline. So for these combinations they are delivered the hybrid model. So at the year of 2000, the sales is increased, and then again 2001, 2002, 2003, up to 2017. The Toyota sales was increased per year by year 10% to 20% of percentage. And then after 2017, at the year of 2017, the Tesla model has launched, and also BMW has launched on a hybrid model. So in this hybrid model, they have achieved maximum amount of efficiency, up to 60% of efficiency in a hybrid vehicles in Tesla model as well as a BMW model. So after that 2017, 18, 19, 20, so up to 2020 again the Toyota Prius model, so that means Toyota Prius model, hybrid model, the sales is going to be down. So they are again taking a case study of the publics. The public aspects, they are only focusing on a cost wise as well as mileage per rupees per kilometer, that means called running cost. So in order to reduce the running cost, the Toyota Prius should focusing on cost cutting segments. So in this cost cutting segments, they are implementing internal combustion engine, they are eliminating internal combustion engine, they are implemented electric vehicles, that means electric battery operated motors with the help of some high rating of lithium ion batteries. So from this lithium ion batteries, they can achieve maximum speed as well as maximum torque as well as high efficiency of output power from the motors. So again they are introducing the hybrid methods. In this hybrid method they are implemented series parallel hybrid methods. So I think lecture series 8 we discussed about the series parallel combination. So from this series parallel combination, Toyota Prius, they are implemented series parallel combination to their new launched model of vehicle. So after that, at the year of 2020, 22, 2020, 23, up to date, their sales are increased. So the reason for increasing their sales is only on a case study basis, and then getting the feedback from customers as well as customer segments, and also they are comparing the existing model of Tesla as well as existing model of BMW. So from this Tesla and then BMW, they are only focusing on efficiency aspects as well as kilometer per range aspects. So from this Tesla and then BMW, they are teaching the public mentality as well as the human being mentality. So from this human being mentality, from the feedback systems, and then based on the statistics, they are implemented high efficiency of vehicles, and also they are implemented high efficiency of series parallel hybrid combinations of vehicle. So now the Toyota Puris, it will give the highest efficiency, maximum of 75 to 80% of efficiency with the help of series parallel combinations inside the Toyota Puris engine. And then Toyota Puris engine, again, it will deliver the maximum bhp power, it will reach the maximum speed, as well as it has maximum range, as well as it will reach 0 to 100 km within a 5 to 6 seconds time period. So just imagine that much amount of power is delivered by the hybrid engines. So the hybrid engine combination is only for an series parallel combination of methods. So this is how the Toyota Puris model, how now it is a leading company for selling hybrid model or a hybrid electric vehicles in the market. I hope you understood the basic concept of hybrid vehicles, and then hybrid vehicle models, and then how the industries or how the manufacturers or how the OEMs are delivering the hybrid model to the public. I think most of the vehicles are now converted into hybrid model, because the only basic things is the only focusing on efficiency as well as cost cutting, and also it will give the high performance, because if we are using a single sources or a single power sources to the vehicle, it will give the low efficiency or a lower efficiency model. So if you adding 2 or more than 2 sources, means it will give the higher efficiency as well as the higher performance to the vehicles. So I think we closed the session from lecture series 1 to 10. So if you have any doubt,